Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sona. So I know you're probably seeing this food in front of you, wondering what's going on. Well, I had a subscriber request, and it's Greenf895. That is the subscriber's handle, or whatever you want to call it. So yes, it was requested. They wanted to see me do a roast. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have the roast here. I have some carrots, some potatoes, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, some onion gravy, some onions, some what is that? Onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt and sea salt and pepper, and a cabbage. So yeah, so I'm gonna include all these ingredients into here. Okay. So yeah. I'm gonna, so I'm just doing this. This is for him. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash the roast and put it in the pot. Okay. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I got my roast. For my roast, I always put it in this right here to clean it. So I'm gonna put one of the water, and I'm gonna clean my roast. I got my gloves on too. My kitchen gloves. So yeah. I clean it. I wash it real good. I like to use this little strainer because it has feet up on the bottom, so the meat won't touch the sink or whatever, even though I did clean the sink out before I started real good. Sometimes it slips out of my hand, so I like that little. I like it up under there too for that reason. Sometimes it slips up out of my hand, so you know when I'm trying to wash it real good up under this sink. I think I done covered every inch of it. Yeah. Okay. Sit it back down in there. All right, we'll cut the water off with my elbow. All right, so I got it all washed. Okay. And so next I'm going to take it over and put it into the pot. So there's no water in it, so you gotta do it like this. Put it in there. That's it. So it's in there. All right, then I'm gonna get rid of my gloves because that's all I have them on for that. Okay, so far we done washed the meat and put it into there. So now I'm gonna wash this out right quick and move it out of my way. Okay, so I got that up. I got this all cleaned out for now. Okay. So next I'm going to go over here on this side of the sink. And I'm going to put my potatoes in here and wash those. How many I'm gonna need, so I'm just gonna take out what I think. I'll kind of get those smaller ones out instead of the big ones. Some people take the skin off. I don't take the skin off because I like the skin, so I'm gonna leave the skin on. But you know, to each his own. You know, you do what you want to do. But that's what I'm gonna do. Is gonna take the bigger ones back in here. Let the skin stay on. So I think that's enough potatoes. All right. Let's do the side. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse the potatoes off. Wash them. I need a bowl too, because once I wash them, I like to put them in. Put on something when I get done washing them. Let's see. So we'll use this little bowl for now. When I get done washing them out, put them in a bowl. Okay. Alright, I got them washed off good enough. Okay, so got my little bowl overflowing, but that's okay. I got my little mat right here that I use to chop everything up on. So I'm gonna rinse that off so I can use it. This is my little mat that I use to cut everything on. So I'm gonna put that there. So got that done. Okay. Well, all right, I'm gonna come back after I get those cut up and everything. So I'm gonna have everything ready when I come back so I can show you me combining everything together, okay? Okay, I am back. So now that I have all the veggies ready, let me show you. I got those ready. That's the potatoes, onions, and carrots. And then I have the cabbage ready over here, washed and cut up. All right, so now we're gonna combine some stuff together. And of course, you know, I have the roast in here. Yeah, so it's just sitting there, babysitting, waiting on me to get it hooked up. So, okay, first thing, I'm gonna move this cabbage back over here. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up this gravy mix. I have some McCormick gravy mix. There it is. So first thing, I'm gonna open that up and pour it in there. So, I can't really tell what I'm doing, so let me move the camera up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just adding the onion mix in here. So I'm adding that in there. Okay. All right, got that added in there. Then I'm gonna put in the cream of mushroom. that up. I have 2 of those, so I have another cream of mushroom. Okay. I'm gonna get a spoon too, because it just don't come out like that. So you have to kind of help it. You have to help it come out. So give me a spoon over here. That's off the spoon. Okay, so now I'm gonna add it in here. Add it in here. And then the next one, add it in here. Same thing. Put it around on there. Mix it with the powder. Yeah. All right. Okay, I got that, and I'm gonna add probably about a half a can of water in there. Put it in there. Okay, that's good. I think that probably, yeah, it looks pretty good. So, yep, so add that in there. And next, I'm going to put in my vegetables in here. So, put in my potatoes. Spread the onions out some. I kind of left them in chunks. So, yeah, spread them out. Potatoes off in here. Yep. All right, so see, I got it all put in there. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like so far. This is what it looked like so far. Look at that. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this cabbage in there. Add some cabbage. So, hopefully this is gonna, I'm gonna put it on there. Just add it on there. Right to the, I gotta make sure this is gonna go down. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Add some more cabbage in here. That's probably gonna be all the cabbage I add in here. Put it all, just stuffing it all in here. Then I'm gonna take a little of this sea salt and kind of salt it a little bit. Yep. A little black pepper. Season it. Might be about out. I don't want to come out one or the other. But yeah, season it up. Got a little garlic powder. I'm season it up with some of that. Then I have some onion powder. I'm season it up with some of that. Yep, so that's it. Now I'm going to close it up. Make sure all my, oh, got an onion try to get away. Now I'm gonna close her up, just like this. And turn her around to lock her. my little handle that came off back here. Put it back on. Really, you want to act up now? Okay, now. This thing will never do this, but today it want to act up. Let me turn it around so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now I know you better be acting right. Okay. Got her all closed up. Make sure ain't nothing sticking out. But you don't see anything sticking out, so. All right, so now we're gonna set it. So, I'm gonna set it. Oh, got a little salt and stuff on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to start. I'm gonna set it to what I want it to be on. I'm gonna set it for 60. That's an hour. Sorry about the noise. Well, maybe I'm gonna do an hour and maybe an hour and 30 minutes, which is 90. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit start. So now it's gonna start and do its thing. You Steve. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so now it's gonna do its thing. So that's an hour and 30 minutes for the roast. That's what I'm putting it on. So yeah, but I'll check it in between time, but I think that's gonna be just right for everything. All right, well, we'll come back and check on it and see how it's going in about an hour. So, all right, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and this is all ready. So we're gonna open it up and let's see what it looks like. Open it up and there it is. That is the roast. Well, it looked like a little carrot got away over there on the side, but anyway. But yeah, that's the roast with the potatoes and everything in there. So yeah, that is it. So give me a minute. I'm gonna plate it up so you can see the see everything, okay? All right, just a minute. All right, everyone, that is the finished product. That's my roast. I got some roast. I got little onions and stuff on it. I got some cabbage over there. I like my cabbage soft, so it's soft. And then I have some potatoes and carrots. And I have 2 muffins. Those are Jiffy muffins that I cooked in a muffin pan. So yeah, so this is my dinner for the night and for the rest of the week. All right, well, here it is. This is for you, Greenf895. Here's the roast. All right. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this Cook With Me video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Until next time, bye.